I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Creating an account on Western Union is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official Western Union website. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to start the registration process. Step 3. Fill in your information. Enter your personal details such as your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues later. Step 4. Create a password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Verify your account. Check your email for a verification link from Western Union. Click on the link to confirm your account. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Once you complete these steps, you'll have your Western Union account ready to go. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support. Happy transferring.